everyone, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For today's video, we are going to compare the units Honda VRV V-CVT 2021 to Honda VRV S-CVT 2021, and let's see what are the differences. And now, let us begin. Honda VRV has a two variant, which Honda VRV S and Honda VRV V. Honda VRV S is the base model and Honda VRV V is the top of the line. Honda VRV S price amounting of 1,038,000 pesos, while Honda VRV V has a price amounting of 1,158,000 pesos and 1,178 pesos for the special color, which platinum white pearl. What are the colors we have in Honda VRV? Honda VRV S has 5 colors. We have modern steel, premium amber, lunar silver, crystal black, and taffeta white. And in Honda VRV V has also 6 colors. We have modern steel, lunar silver, crystal black, premium amber metallic, fashion red pearl, and platinum white pearl. Please take note that fashion red pearl available exclusive only in V variant, and platinum white pearl is the special color of Honda VRV, which means the platinum white pearl is more expensive than the other color, amounting of 20,000 pesos difference. Honda VRV safety features. Honda VRV are keyless entry system, but Honda VRV is wave key, while Honda VRV V is smart entry with push start button. Both variants are with J-Con body, dual airbags you can see at the driver and front passenger area, with vehicle stability assist or BSA, hill start assist or HSA, anti-lock braking system or ABS, then with electronic brake force distribution, reverse camera with guidelines, with seat belt in front, in second row rear and third row rear, and also the seat belt reminders at the driver and front passenger. Honda VRV both variant has a child safety lock, auto door lock in speed sensing, auto door unlock, shift to the park, immobilizer with security alarm. Then let's go to the dimensions and weight. The length of Honda VRV V has 4,456 mm, while Honda VRV S has 4,453 mm, which means Honda VRV V is longer than VRV S with 3 mm differences. And they have the same width, that has 1,735 mm, and the height of VRV V is 1,677 mm, while VRV S has 1,666 mm, which means the Honda VRV V is higher than Honda VRV S with 11 mm differences. Honda VRV both variants have also the same wheelbase with 2,662 mm, with the ground clearance of 201 mm, turning radius of 5.6 meter at the body, and VRV V has curb weight of 1,250 kilogram, while Honda BRV S has 1,240 kilogram, which they have 10 kilograms difference. Honda BRV, both variant has the same of seating capacity with 7 persons and trunk capacity of 470 liter if the third rows are folded and 521 liters if the third rows are tumbled. Then next, engine and transmission. The both variant has the same type, iVTEC 4-cylinder, 16 valve. They have a displacement of 1,495 cc, power of 88 kilowatts, 120 PS at 6,600 RPM. They have the same torque of 145 Nm, 14.8 kilograms at 4,600 RPM. Both variant has also Ecolamp, drive-by-wire, transmission of Earthdreams technology, continuous variable transmission or CVT, fuel tank of 42 liters, and they have emission rating of Euro 4. Honda BRV S has no paddle shifter, while Honda BRV V has a paddle shifter. Then next is suspension and brake. Both variant has suspension in front, McPherson strut, and in rear has a torsion beam, and they have the same brake in front, ventilated disc, and in rear, drum brake. Then next is tire and wheel. Both variant has the same size wheel and type, 16 by 16 alloy, and tire size is 195 by 60 R16 and spare tire full size steel. Then both variant has also the same gear type, rack and pinion, electric power steering system, and the same steering wheel, tilt adjustment, and audio controls, mode, volume, and channel. But the material of steering wheel of BRV has a leather with red stitching, while the BRV-S has only fabric urethane. Then let's check also in the exterior of both variant. Both variant has the same type of headlight, which is halogen projector type. Then the position light of BRV-V is LED guide type, while Honda BRV-S has bulb type. Then the BRV-V has the daytime running light. Both variant has also chrome garnish fog lights with door mirror integrated side turn signal light and LED high mount stop lamp. Both variant has LED guide position light tail lamp, lower rear bumper reflector, and the bumper skid garnish of BRV-V is silver and the BRV-S is black. Then silver finish roof rail. The side steel protector of BRV-V is chrome, while the S is not chrome. Then the same side mirror of BRV-V is power folding, while S is not power folding. Then the door handle of BRV-V is chrome and the S is body color. They have the same intermittent front wiper and standard with washer rear wiper. And they have also rear windshield defogger, and the antenna of BRV-V is shark fin antenna, while Honda BRV-S is microtype antenna. Then last is interior of Honda BRV. Let us start in audio system. The audio type of Honda BRV V is 7 inches touchscreen advanced display with Bluetooth, USB input, hands-free telephone, and audio streaming with smart mirroring, Apple CarPlay, and Android Audio. While Honda BRV-S has only 7 inches touchscreen, display audio, and Bluetooth. Honda BRV-S has no Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda BRV-V has automatic air conditioning, while Honda BRV-S has only manual with digital display air conditioning. Both variants have the same MID, tachometer, speedometer, digital fuel level, warning lamp engine temperature, auto up and down power windows, power auto locks. Then the seat covers of Honda BRV-V is black leather with red trims, while Honda BRV-S is only black fabric with gray stitching. Then the shift knob of Honda BRV-V is a leather material, while the Honda BRV-S is urethane. Then the door panel armrest of Honda BRV is leather also, and S is interior color only. Before the video ends, I just want to take this opportunity to answer the question of some client, which does Honda PMS is expensive? The answer is big no. The truth is Honda PMS saves you a money, your time, because Honda use genuine parts, making maintenance less frequent. For example, other car dealerships have PMS scheduled up to 4 times a year, while Honda cars have only twice a year maintenance. That means less visit, less cost in a year. Follow regular PMS to avoid the unexpected. That's it for now. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button so that you are always notified to my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Keep safe and God bless everyone. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.